Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 11 with easy steps. We have to use the latest updated Windows 11 operating system, and also we have to enable virtual machine platform, and let me show you how to do that. Let's search on search bar and write Windows features on off. Click on that and scroll down. You can see my virtual machine platform already enabled, but if you have disabled, please enable this and restart your computer. Okay, now we have to go to Microsoft Store and search WSL, and you can see Windows subsystem for Linux. Now click on get. It will take some time. Then open the terminal. It's already opened, you can see in taskbar. Okay, now we have to search Kali Linux here. Now click on get here. It will also take some time. Now click on open. Now it's installing Kali Linux operating system. Then you can see they ask for a username. Type your username whatever you want. Then press enter and set your own password. Then hit enter and read and hit enter. Now we have to update our Kali Linux package using this command. Type sudo apt update and give your password. Then hit enter. Now it will automatically update all the package of Kali Linux OS. Now you can use Kali Linux from this CLI option, or you can use graphical user interface using XRDP. For doing this, we have to install XFCE graphical interface for this Kali Linux operating system and XRDP protocol. Now let's install XFCE graphical interface. Now type sudo apt install Kali desktop XFCE, then press enter and type Y, then hit enter. Now we have to install the XRDP package and type to enable this sudo apt install XRDP. Then hit enter and give your password. Press Y. After that, we had to install XRDP protocol. Now type sudo service XRDP start. Then hit enter. Now we have done. Now we have to type IP add and hit enter. Now you can see we have got our IP addresses. Now I'm going to do click on start and search for RDP. Click on that. Now we have to give OK, but I have an error, not that so much difficult. Now copy this IP address by Ctrl C and paste it here. Now click on connect. Yes, and we have to give our username and password, then hit enter. Boom, we have got our Kali Linux on Windows 11 using this RDP. But you can see there is no default tools installed in this operating system. But if we want to, then click on terminal and type sudo apt install Kali Linux lurch, then press enter and password to enter the process. I hope you guys like this video. If you have liked this video, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.